Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish right now and we are seeing a lot of signals showing us that Bitcoin might be preparing for the next rally. I will go over all of these signals in today's video. So guys, let's just dive right into it. And yeah, we have been waiting quite a long time while Bitcoin was consolidating in this descending channel, falling wedge pattern formation. You can call it multiple things, but it is just a consolidation period, right? But during that consolidation period, we actually have seen a divergence, and the divergence was that when the price was moving down right here, we actually saw the opposite happening with the RSI, and we also saw the opposite happening with the MACD. So this is one of the first signals you want to see when Bitcoin could potentially make a reversal. And the next signals that you want to see is Bitcoin breaking some key resistance, and not only in the price but also in the RSI. And right now, guys, this is a very important signal. Is right now we can see that we have a declining resistance on the relative strength index already since the beginning of this year, which we are getting rejected from. And right now Bitcoin is trying to break above this level, and if we are closing today around the levels Bitcoin is trading right now, 32,400, we have a daily close above this level, which can be the early signal showing us that Bitcoin is going to start the next major rally. And that is the exact reason, guys, why I've said in my previous videos, okay, Bitcoin is trading below the 50-week moving average, but we still have to see if we are going to get that weekly close below that level. It is still possible for Bitcoin to just get a green candle, right, and just close back above this level and still see this bounce. And this bounce might be very significant, guys, because it is possible that this is going to be a bounce and that we are going to see a nice rally in the Bitcoin price, but that we are not going to surpass the previous all-time high. It's possible. It's definitely possible. In future videos, I will show you exactly which levels will determine which scenario is actually playing out. So that is going to be very interesting as well. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload that video. But this bounce can also result into the next uptrend in the fifth wave to the upside, which will bring Bitcoin to $100,000 and higher still this year. I think it's definitely possible, guys. So that is a scenario we have to be watching as well. Then, guys, let's dive into the shorter term time frame. So right on the daily time frame, things are looking quite good, right? Bitcoin trading back above the 50-week moving average. We are trying to break above the declining resistance on the RSI, which has been created since the beginning of this year. If we have a look at the MACD, then we also not looking that bad. We had a declining resistance. Right now we are trading above that as well. So momentum right now is starting to catch up. The price is testing some key resistance levels, and that is where we are going to have a look at right now. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame right here. What we can see in the 4-hour time frame is that let me get rid of some drawings, is that we broke above this resistance level, the red zone right here, which is approximately the level of $32,000. We broke above that, we backtest this level as resistance, as support, sorry. And what we also can see is that if we were to draw a line right here from the top during this formation, this bounce, and we create a declining resistance, we can see some touches right here. And right now Bitcoin has been breaking above this level as well. Actually, this level is holding support, so that is also quite interesting. We have another resistance coming in if we combine, if we combine these stops, then we also get a resistance which right now is coming in at approximately 33,000. If Bitcoin were to break these levels, right, so the first resistance level is 33,000, but the next major resistance level is going to be, give or take $35,000. But I think the first levels right here, $33,000, will already be very significant, and is already showing us that we are breaking through some resistances right here, and that we can see a continuational move to the upside. So the bounce that we have been talking about over the past weeks during this whole formation, guys, is becoming more realistic, and right now it looks like Bitcoin is preparing for this major event. Do take in mind that the bullish divergence we see on the daily time frame is very, very significant, but it is very important to see Bitcoin also breaking these resistance levels and to see volume coming in and stuff. So we want to see some reaction in the price that will confirm that divergence that we are seeing on the daily time frame. So that is very important. Right now it's Friday. Weekend action is going to be important, well, especially where we are going to close the week. If we were to close the week above the 50-week moving average, will be very bullish for Bitcoin. Then I at least expect quite a bounce in the Bitcoin price. But I still think, and I will show you the chart as well, I still think there is quite a probability right here, especially when we have a look at the alignment with other markets, that Bitcoin is going to enter a fifth wave structure to the upside. And let me zoom out right here so we can see it a little bit clearer what I mean. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that we just finished the fourth wave correction and that we can enter the fifth wave structure, which will bring Bitcoin to the levels of $100,000 and even higher this year. Right now it's too early to say that this is the scenario that is playing out, of course, because we have some very key levels during in this wave which we have to break in order to get more confirmations that we are actually going to surpass previous all-time high, and that this bounce is not going to be a retracement from the drop we have seen so far, and that eventually Bitcoin is going to roll over and is going to see lower levels. But like I said, guys, we are going to have a look at that in future videos. If you are interested in longing Bitcoin during this formation, you can long Bitcoin over on the Bybit exchange. And if you sign up on the Bybit exchange using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $600. So for all the traders who are interested in longing Bitcoin, you can do that over on the Bybit exchange, and my affiliate link with that extra bonus I have put below this video. Then guys, let's have a look at some on-chain analytics. Right here we can see the Bitcoin short-term holder MVRV score, and yeah, if we have a look at this metric, then we can see that normally in bearish trends, when we are entering the green the green zone right here, it's actually often that we are seeing some form of capitulation, right? We have seen it in March 2020. We have seen it right here in this local bottom. We came to this. We have seen it in the 2019 or 2018 bottom of the bear market right here. We as well came back into this green zone, and right now we are here as well. So this is another metric actually firing quite a big of a buy signal at the levels that we are trading right now. And that is quite interesting because there's a lot of on-chain metrics which are actually showing that right now is a great opportunity to buy. And I think this definitely aligns with what we are seeing in the Bitcoin price. And like I have been preaching right here on this channel over the past couple of weeks, that guys, the chances that we are going to see a bounce from here and maybe even start a new uptrend is just way higher than that we are going to see another structured move to the downside. Right here we got another on-chain metric. This is the NVT, and what we can see right here is that we also entered the green zone right here, and normally when we're entering the green zone, that comes along with capitulation as well. Similar as here, March 2020, this local bottom, the bottom right here, 2018, 2019. The first drop after we topped out in the bull market of 2018, when we also tested that 50-week moving average, and eventually we got a bounce of over 50%. So that is something to realize, guys, that the bounces were actually quite significant. A 50% bounce we even had in 2013 right here, 2013 or 2014, when we finished the bull market, the first bull market, we had a bounce of over 100%. So yeah, that is all some things you want to take into account. And right now, guys, when we have a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is just looking very bullish. And what we have been saying in the past couple of weeks, it looks like right now that is playing out, that we have seen the bottom of Bitcoin right here. We have made a higher low right here, but if we have a look at the bottom of the candle, it's actually a lower low But in the RSI, we are doing the opposite. And now it's just a matter of time for Bitcoin to break these resistance levels, get some volume in, and then we have a very nice confirmation that Bitcoin is most likely in for a bounce. Guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, you can do that over on the Bybit platform. I have my affiliate link down below. You can get a $600 bonus. Of course, you can also trade over on the Femix platform, on the Prime XPT exchange. Both of those exchanges, I have my affiliate links down below as well. So if you are interested in these bonuses and you want to support the channel, you can sign up using those links. Guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed it. For the ones that are interested in my second YouTube channel, I've uploaded a video on my second YouTube channel yesterday. And it's not about crypto, it's just about life and other things. And if you are interested in that, you can visit my second channel and have a look at that. Guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.